Your standard for this lesson is MCCA.EE.4. Perform operations with numbers expressed in scientific notation, including problems where both decimal and scientific notation are used. Use scientific notation and choose units of appropriate size for measurements of very large or very small quantities. You have 3 vocabulary terms for this lesson. 1. Coefficient, a number that stands alone in an equation. 2. Exponents, a quantity representing the power to which a given number or expression is to be raised. 3. Scientific notation, a way of writing or displaying numbers in terms of a decimal number between 1 and 10 multiplied by a power of 10. You have 4 steps for this lesson. Step 1. Find your smallest exponent and make it equal to the largest. Step 2. Move your decimal point in the coefficient to the left. Step 3. Add or subtract the new coefficients. Step 4. If the number isn't in scientific notation, convert it.
Your first example for this lesson is 7.251 times 10 to the 5th minus 2.46 times 10 to the 7th. Your first step is to find your smallest exponent and make it equal to the largest. In this example, 7 is your largest exponent and 5 is your smallest. So we're going to make that 5 a 7. And then second, we have to move the decimal in the coefficient however many places you increase the exponent by to the left. So since our smallest exponent was 5 and we increased it to 7, which is 2 places, we have to move our decimal point 2 places to the left. And we fill in a 0. So now we have 0.07251 times 10 to the 7th. So now we have to add or subtract the new coefficients. We're going to subtract in this example. So we have 0.07251 minus 2.46. And for the numbers that aren't here on this example, we're going to put zeros right there. So now 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 0 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1, 0 minus 4, you can't do that, so you have to borrow from 2, and you bring your 1 over, and now you have 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and you bring down your 1. So now you have 1.61251, and you have to, next, if the number isn't in scientific notation, convert it, and your base of 10 remains the same. So this is in scientific notation because it's greater than 0 and less than 10. So your answer is 1.61251 times 10 to the 7th. Your second example for this lesson is 3.45 times 10 to the 6th plus 9.808 times 10 to the 3rd. Your first step is to find your smallest exponent and make it equal to the largest. In this example, 3 is your smallest exponent and 6 is your largest. So we're going to make this 3 become a 6. And by doing that, we have to second move our decimal in the coefficient however many places you increase the exponent by to the left. So since we increased 3 to 6, which is 3 places, we're going to move 9.808 3 places to the left. So when we do that, we go 1, 2, 3, and our placeholders are 0. So now we have 0.009808. And we're going to, next we have to add. So we have 0.009808 plus 3.45. And we're going to fill in our zeros when there are no numbers. 8 plus 0 is just 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 0 is 9. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 4 plus 0 is 4. And next we bring down our decimal, and then we bring down the 3. And last, if the number isn't in scientific notation, convert it, and your base of 10 remains the same. In this example, this is greater than 0 and less than 1, so it is in scientific notation. And our base of 10 remains the same. So our answer is 3.459808 times 10 to the 6th. Thanks for watching.